subscribe.
Welcome kids to the world of ABC. Let's learn letters with fun, you'll see. We'll dance, we'll sing, we'll shout hooray. Come along, it's time to play. Enthusai. Cheers for Giraffe, so tall and bright, stretching his neck to a wonderful height. Munch, munch on the leaves so green, the tallest animal you've ever seen. It's for Gorilla, strong and grand, beating his chest with his mighty hand. Boom, boom, can you do it too? Stand up tall and give it a few. It's for Horse, who gallops so fast, running and jumping, having a blast. Clippity-clop, hear the sound, trotting, trotting all around. H is for Horse, who gallops so fast, running and jumping, having a blast. Clippity-clop, hear the sound, trotting, trotting all around. It's for Hedgehog, tiny and small, rolling in a little ball. Tickle, tickle, he's so shy. Peekaboo, now say hi. I for Iguana, green and cool, climbing trees is his golden rule. Sunning himself on a rock so high. Blink, blink, he closes his eyes. Swimming deep where the ocean is bold. Bubble, bubble, see him glide, dancing under the icy tide. We've learned so much, hooray, hooray. Letters G-H, I made our day. Giraffe the willow, see him glide, dancing under the icy tide.